A short motivational story. Hope you will like it. The obstacle in our path. So let's begin the story. Here the story begins. Once upon a time, there was a king, and an idea came in his mind. He thought of playing a trick with the people of his own kingdom.
Ha ha ha! Today I will play a trick with the people of my own kingdom. Let's see who will gain the opportunity. So today I will place a boulder, a big stone on a roadway and hide myself in the bushes. Then I will see who will move the boulder away. Let me hide myself in the bushes.
In the meanwhile, some of the king's wealthiest merchants and courtiers came by and simply walked around it. People blamed the king, and none of them did anything.
How shameful the king of this kingdom is, and people are so lazy that they don't bother to push this boulder away from the road. Then why should I bother? I am going on my way only.
In this way, the courtier passes the way and do not bother to take the stone away from the road. But the king was continuously watching the people who were not bothering and were going without putting the stone away. After a short period of time, a girl, a wealthy merchant's daughter, came and see the boulder, and she also don't bother to pick the stone away.
Oh wow! How beautiful this place is! But what is this? A big boulder? The king of this kingdom is very bad, I think. There is no management in this kingdom, I think. There are so many boulders lying over there. But none of the people of this kingdom and none of the king do not bother to pick up the boulder. Oh, poor kingdom. So what? What can I do? I am just going my way and I just want to reach to my destination. I don't bother about these things. If people of the kingdom do not bother, then why should I? Just I am going.
So the king saw that many people came, but no one from them bothered to pick the stone and pick the boulder away from the road. But after a short while, he saw a peasant, means a farmer. He saw a farmer who was carrying a vegetable basket on his head. He just came there on the road and stopped.
Oh my god, how this boulder came on the roadway. Anyone can be hurt by this and get injured. So I think I should remove it. Let me put my basket on the way and push it. This seems to be very heavy. I need to show some strength to push it. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I am very tired now. Now what should I do? Let me pour all my strength into this. Oh, at last I have removed that boulder from the roadway. Oh, what's that thing lying there? Oh, that's a purse. Let me see what's inside in that. Oh, there are so many gold coins. There are so many rupees and dollars and many coins. Whose purse is this, by the way? Is anyone there? Whose purse is this?
And in this way, the farmer do not get any answer because no one was there. And in the meanwhile, he got a person in front of him. And here is the king. And then the farmer and the king converse. And the farmer said to the king that this is not my purse.
Hey peasant, that was a trick made by me. The trick was that the one who will remove that boulder from the roadway, he will get a reward. And this is your reward. You have to keep it. You were the only person who put that boulder on the left side of the road. No one did that. So it's your reward now.
So in this way, at last, the farmer got the reward from the king. What we get the moral from this story? Lazy waste their time in complaining and others create opportunity and get reward. I hope you like this small story.